Hello students, I am Satyen Gupta. So today your topic is fraction and decimal. Your second chapter is started. I hope you are doing your best and please revise your question whatever the section you have done. Please do continuously work on that sections. So your new topic is here fraction and decimal. So first of all, I want to tell you about the fraction. What is the fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. You already know and you already learned in your previous classes. I think in a class 4th, 5th, 3rd, and you already know what is a fraction. You have seen the many parts. You have seen pizza. Pizza is also a part of fraction because of many parts are there. The fraction is divided in two parts. One is called the numerator and second is the denominator. Above the division line that is called the numerator and below the division line that is called the denominator. Now next is here types of fraction. So type of fraction. In the type of fraction, so first is here like fraction. You already know like fraction. That's why I have written in a short form same denominator. If the denominators are same, you can see all the fraction having the same denominator, so it is called the like fraction. Okay, next is here unlike fraction. Unlike fraction, it means a different denominator. If the fractions are having a different denominators like this, so it is called your unlike fraction. Okay, now the third one is here unit fraction. In a unit fraction, numerator should be 1. If the numerator equal to 1, so it is called your unit fraction. You can see all the fraction have a one denominator, so these all called unit fraction. Now next one is here proper fraction. In a proper fraction, you know numerator is less than its denominator. If the numerator is less than and denominator is greater than, so it is called the proper fraction. Some example already given here. These examples are related to the proper fraction. Okay, now shall we move next page? Okay, now your next page is here improper fraction. This is already you already learned in your previous classes. Improper fraction, numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator. If the numerator and denominator both are equal like this, so it is called your improper fraction. Okay, if the denominator is less than and the numerator is greater than, so it is called your improper fraction. Okay, now the next one is here mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of, I have written here, combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. When the proper and whole number will comes together, then they will make mixed fraction. In a short, I have written w dot n plus p dot f equal to m dot f. It means whole number plus proper fraction, then you will get what you will get mixed fraction. Okay, now the next one is here equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction, it means if you will multiplying or divide by, for so please do one thing. By mistake I forgot to write here g, so you will include here. Okay, in a multiplying, in a g is missing, so you will note down yourself. Okay, yes, by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Non-zero, what the mean of the non-zero? Non-zero, it means numbers should be natural. Okay, and natural number, natural number, counting numbers 1 2 3 4 like this. You already know all the things. Okay, so let me start our new exercise 2.1. In exercise 2.1, the question number first is here, 2 minus 3 upon 5. Question is already here. You can see your question on the screen. Whatever the question is here, make sure you will write the solution, and the proper steps are important. Okay, you already know how to write in a maths. The maths required, all the steps should be proper. Okay, then 2 minus 3 upon 5. Then how you will solve this section? Because this number is not having a denominator, so what you will do is, many methods are here, you already done in your previous classes, but here I will tell you a short method. If a whole number is here and next one is here in a fraction form, so how you will solve? You will direct multiply by this number. The 5 will multiply in 2, so 5 2s are 10, so you will get 10, and rest of number will not change, and minus 3 upon 5, then 3 upon 5 you will write here. Okay, then 10 minus 3, your answer will be 7 upon 5. Okay, now the next one is here. In this you will add the whole number, 4 plus 7 upon 8. So what we have 4 plus 7 upon 8. Same procedure you will do whatever you have done in your previous question. Directly you will multiply 8 by 4, 8 4s are, then you will get 32, then 32 plus 7, then your answer 39 upon 8. Okay, you can write in this form, this is also correct and this one is also correct. Okay, or always you will write your lowest form. If number is not divisible, so you can write that number in mixed form also. This is also correct. Okay, your next question is here. Third one is also same. What you will do in a third question, both number having a denominator, so what you will do, you will take a LCM. So LCM will be 35, and then it will be 21, and then it will be 10. Okay, then total will be 31 upon 35. Next question is here, question number 6, sorry. 2 whole 2 upon 3 plus 3 whole 1 upon 2. If the fraction is given in this form, what you will do, first of all you will write them in improper form, then you will solve it. Okay, so 2 whole 2 upon 3 is here, 3 whole 1 upon 2 is here, then 8 upon 3 plus 7 upon 2. Okay, then you will get this. After this, then LCM will be 3 and 2, LCM of 3 and 2. No need to show LCM of 2 and 3. Okay, no need, directly you can show them. One minute. Okay, then directly you will note down their LCM. Okay, then LCM will be 6, then 6 is the LCM, then 16 plus 21 will come when you will solve this section. After solving this section, then you will get 16 and 21. Okay, then after adding these number, numerator will be 37 and denominator will be same. Okay, as you know, if the numbers are not divisible, so you will divide them and you will write their mixed form. Then mixed form will be 6 whole 1 upon 6. Then 6 whole 1 upon 6 will be your answer. Okay, next question. In this question is asking uh, descending order. some fractions are given here and asking about the descending order. So how you will write the descending order of these? Look at here. So first of all, you will converting them into like fraction because all are having a different denominator. So you need to convert them into like fraction. How can you convert them? You will find out their LCM. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 will be 63. You already learned LCM and HCF in your 5th class and 4th class. Okay, these are the very simple things. Okay, still you get any problem, then you can WhatsApp me, you can call me, I will explain it. Okay, now 2 upon 9 is given here. Okay, so you need to make denominator as a 63. So which number is required to multiply with 9? You will multiply by 7, then you will multiply by 7, then you will get 63. If you will multiply by 7 in denominator, then same number is required in a numerator, then you will multiply by 7 in a numerator also. Okay, then your fraction will be 14 upon 63, and 14 upon 63 is an equivalent fraction of 2 upon 9. Okay, because you already know definition of equivalent fraction. If you will multiply or divide by same number, then you will get equivalent fraction of the fraction. Okay, now the next one is here, next fraction is given here 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3, how can you make denominator 63? Now you will multiply by 21. You will multiply by 21 in 3, then you will get 63. So same number you will multiply in the numerator also, then 21 will multiply in 2 also. So your answer will be, your fraction will be 42 upon 63. 8 upon 21, the same procedure you will do. You need a 63 as a denominator, so denominator will be 63 when you will multiply by 3. So 3 will also multiply in a numerator, then 8 3s are 24 and 63. Now comparing their numerators, now you will compare their numerators. Now you can see the 42 is the largest one, then after 24 will come, then the least number 14. Okay, according the question. So you will write the original fraction. Original fraction is given here. What is the original fraction? Original fraction is here 2 upon 3 greater than 8 upon 21 and greater than 2 upon 9. And a final statement you will write here. Hence, descending order are 2 upon 3, 8 upon 21 and 2 upon 9. I hope do you understand this question. Shall we move next question? So our next question is here. You can read your question from NCERT because I have taken all the questions from NCERT. Don't worry about any question. If you get any problem, you can WhatsApp me, contact me, so I will solve your problem regarding to question. Okay, so your fourth question is here. We need to find out the perimeter of rectangular sheet, I think is given there. Okay, so question you will read from your book. Okay, and book you can note down, you can upload from NCERT website. Official website is already given there, so you can note down your book from there. Okay, now length is given here. This much is length. As you know, if the number is given in a which form? A mixed form, so you can't solve this number. So first you need to make them in a improper form, and same procedure you will do with the breadth. Then it will be 32 upon 3. Formula, you know, perimeter equal to 2L plus B. Okay, so you will apply the value. Length is already given, breadth is already given. Then you will put the both values are here. After this, you will take a LCM. LCM will be 6. Okay, so 75 will become here, and then 64 will be here. Okay, now you will add both numbers. After adding these numbers, then you will get 139. 139, you can see the 2 and 6, then 2 in numerator and 6 in denominator. So 6 and 2 both are divisible to each other. Okay, because 2 ones are 2 and 6 is divisible by 2 also. 2 3s are 6. Then you will get 3. Okay, then 139 upon 3 centimeter. I told you 139 upon 3 centimeter. This answer is also correct, but if you will write in this form, this is very good. Okay, because in each question your answer will be in a lowest form. If the lowest form already is there, then you can convert them in a mixed form. Okay, now the next question, question number 6. Breadth of picture is given in your question, then you will do the same thing. Number is given in a mixed form, so first of all you will convert them in a improper form. 38 upon 5. Required breadth, how much breadth is required for the picture? Okay, because the picture want to stick in the frame. Okay, so the breadth of the required breadth is given there, 7 whole 3 upon 10. Then you will solve. After solving this, then you will get 73 upon 10. The picture should be trimmed by how much the picture need to trim. Then you will write the breadth of the picture, 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. After solving this section, LCM will be same, LCM 10, because you will, when you will take a LCM of 5 and 10, then you will get 10. Then 73 will come, 76 will come, and minus 73, then 3 upon 10 centimeter. Then final statement, and please make sure final statement is the most important. Hence 3 upon 10 centimeter picture should be trimmed, then it will come in the frame. Okay, now the next one. See, the rest of question, whatever the question, that question you will do as a homework. First of all, you will complete your classwork. After that, you will note down your homework in your NB. Okay, thank you.